Cucumber plants thrive when they are well fed and protected from pests. Their refreshing taste makes them a favorite in every garden. This simple natural fertilizer will give them the energy they need to produce plenty of fruits. Start by grinding plain white rice into a fine powder. Add 1 tablespoon of the rice powder into half a liter of warm water. Rice provides essential starch and potassium, which are perfect for supporting cucumber fruit growth and root strength. Then add a teaspoon of whey. Whey helps improve soil microbes and gives your cucumbers a light calcium boost, which keeps the plants resilient and productive. Finally, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of dry mint. Mint is a powerful natural insect repellent, and it also helps prevent mildew and other fungal infections that can harm cucumbers. Mix it well, and let the mix rest for a few hours. Strain, and dilute with 2 more liters of water. Apply 300 milliliters to each plant every 15 days. Share this recipe with your gardening friends. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.